Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Young Roots. Today we are going to do a topic on gender. But before starting gender, we have to revise noun. What is noun? Noun is a naming word. Okay, so naming words are classified into four categories. That is, the naming word is classified on gender. Gender is of four types. That is masculine, feminine, common and neuter. So today we are going to learn about these four types of gender. First one, masculine. So if the word refers to a male or a boy or a male animal, it comes under the masculine gender. For example, bull, rooster, boy, men, watchmen, they all come under the masculine gender. The second one is the feminine. As the name suggests, if any word which refers to a woman or a girl comes under the feminine gender, or a female animal, for example, cow, hen, woman, mother, that all comes under feminine. Third one, common. The word which is either a boy or a girl, woman or a man, that comes under the common gender. For example, a doctor, singer, a lawyer, which you can't classify whether it's a male or a female, it comes under a common gender. Next one, neuter. Neuter is the one which you refer to an object which is neither a boy or a girl, nor a woman, nor a man. For example, pen, pencil, paper. It is a naming object, but it doesn't come under any category of a gender. It is a neuter gender. So this is just a basic need for understanding whatever noun or a naming object you are seeing. You're just trying to analyze it comes under a which gender, a masculine, feminine, or a common or a neuter gender. This is a normal understanding which you can give to your kids or your students, that this is a gender classification which you can do. You can also give a later practice about giving them genders and asking them what is the male or the female of that particular animal you can do for. Thank you. Till that time, keep seeing all our videos. If you have any queries, put me in the comment section. I'll get back to you. Thank you. Bye.